Welcome back. Almost 5 cars and 6-7 motorbikes got damaged after a retaining wall of the Daud residency collapsed at Aquem Margao. Locals claim loss worth 15 to 20 lakhs. The residents of the neighboring housing complex says that the incident occurred due to incessant rains. They have demanded quick restoration. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported.
पांचवा उठली तेन्ना एक असो मोठोसो आवाज जालो की जवळ जवळ मोठी वीज कोसळ्ळ्या कितें तरी बिल्डींग पडटा तशें खंयच्यान कितें करता कळना कित्याक काळोख आशिल्लो मागीर ह्या जनेलार तेन्ना पळयलें ही दाऊद रेजिडेन्सीची ही संरक्षण भिंत पळय जी आशिल्ली ती कोसळिल्ली आनी ताजे पोंदा कितें जालें कित्याक ही जमीन भुसभुशीत ही जमीन मोव आनी ताका लागून ती कोसळपाची कितें उदक वचपाची वाटय तागेली सारकी नाशिल्ली कित्याक उदक सगळें त्या वाटेन सोसायटीत आमची सोसायटी कोसळटाली आतां ती कोसळ जाली पूण ताज्या भितर आनी 3 मिटर सुमार आतां मोव जालो पळय हें सगळें आनी जवळ जवळ आमची ह्या कोसळिल्ल्यान आमचे सोसायटींतल्यो 7 मोटरसायकली आनी 4 गाडयो आनी जवळ जवळ 15 ते 20 लाखांचे सुमार नुकसान जाल्लें आसा आनी इतलेंच न्हय हें जर ताबडतोब जर ही संरक्षण भिंत सारकी बांदली ना जर जायत तर जशी ह्या प्रतिभा सोसायटीक धोको आसा आनी तशी तांगेले बिल्डिंगेक इल्ली धोको आसा म्हणजे इमिजिएटली करची पडटलें.
ही जी आतां रिटेनिंग वॉल जी आसा पळय जी म्हाका ऑलमोस्ट आनी 2-3 मिटर भितर ही पळय सकयल लेवल सकयल देना म्हणजे हें केन्ना कोसत म्हणून गॅरंटी ना. असोच जर पावस चालू उरलो ज्या हिशोबान पावस पडला लास्ट 3 दीस असोच जर पावस पडत उरत म्हाका दिसता ही सगळी रिटेनिंग वॉलान सगळी एरिया कोसळपाची शक्यता आसा.
सकाळी 5 सुमार प्रतिभा सोसायटीच्या सायडीक जी रिटेनिंग वॉल आशिल्ली ती कॉलॅप्स जाली म्हणून म्हाका कावन्सिलर रामू शिरोडकरान फोन केलो. हांव कलेक्टराक बी फोन करून कलेक्टराक आपयलो हांगा पुलीस फायर ब्रिगेडी आयले आनी हांवूय पळोवपाक म्हूण आयलो. लक्षांत जालें की 500 स्कुटरी डॅमेज जाल्ली आसा टोटल 2-3 गाडयोय डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा. कलेक्टरान सांगलां की सगळे पंचनामा इमिजिएटली करपाची ऑर्डर दिल्ली आसा आनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचो करंट डिस्कनेक्ट करून इमिजिएटली आतां मशीन हाडून ते क्लिनिंग अप ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट जाता.
अजून डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाचे कोणूच
ना कलेक्टर स्वता आयला सायटीचेर आनी म्हाका दिसता ताणें ऑलरेडी गियर अप केल्लें जातलें स्टार्ट इमिजिएटली अनएक्सपेक्टेडली अर्ली मॉर्निंग म्हणटकीर मातशें एक वळख गियर अप करपाक वेळ जाला पूण आयलें ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचो करंट डिस्कनेक्ट केला पुलीस आयल्या फायर ब्रिगेडी आयल्या आनी कलेक्टर स्वताय सायटीचेर येवन गेला.
Crime branch of Goa police has requested Prudent to submit video of news item related with the VIP treatment given to Jitendra Deshprabhu by Agasaim police station about 3 years ago. Jitendra Deshprabhu was lodged in Agasaim police station in connection with Korgao illegal mining case. Being a responsible news channel, Prudent is ready to cooperate with crime branch in this investigation.
The Nationalist Congress Party leader Jitendra Deshprabhu was arrested in connection with Korgao illegal mining case. Prudent in its news bulletin aired on 11th August 2011 had exposed how Deshprabhu was given VIP treatment by Agasaim police when he was lodged in the police station. On basis of the news item, activist Kashinath Shetye had approached Panji JMFC court seeking legal action against concerned police officers attached with Agasaim police station. In March this year, the Panji JMFC court had directed crime branch to hold an inquiry and to file FIR if they find any substance of cognizable offence. Interestingly, police have approached Prudent 6 months after the JMFC order. Being a responsible news channel, Prudent is ready to cooperate with crime branch in this investigation. Prudent will submit required documents to crime branch by 28th October as requested by them. Bureau Report, Prudent.
State administration is gearing up to control noise pollution during the tourist season. Noise Pollution Monitoring Committee has decided to crack down on the loud music played at electronic music festivals and at the beach shacks. Committee has recommended new decibel measuring units to check noise pollution. Committee has also asked the concerned Mamledar to identify the banned firecrackers usually used during the tourism season and to submit report in second week of November. The tourist season has begun.
In each belt, definitely there must be 1 meter. we will try and give each of the members a meter. That is our effort. The citizens who are there as committee members. Apart from that, as I told you, the deputy collectors have already been given, and the same equipment has been shared with the SDPOs. Probably we should try and have independent equipment for the deputy collectors as well, so that SDPOs can continue to use that, and one set of equipment can be with the deputy collectors.
The coastal belt is most of the times in news for noise pollution. Committee will also keep strict vigil on burning of firecrackers. Specific type of firecrackers are banned for use, but they are still being used by hoteliers and shack owners, which disturb public during night hours. Committee has asked concerned Mamlatdars to identify such banned firecrackers from the market and to submit a report in second week of November.
We have issued directions now to our Mamlatdars and our executive magistrates to do inspections of places where the crackers are being sold. Not only shops but also in the open, wherever it is being sold. We have asked our Mamlatdars, we have instructed them to conduct inspections, and they are supposed to report back to us by the second week of November as to what action has been taken.
Noise Pollution Monitoring Committee will conduct seminars for the officers with the Goa State Pollution Control Board to take necessary measures to control the noise pollution. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Devendra Gaokar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.